In this tutorial, we are going to make a package for this push button. It's a single pole, single throw push button with two pins, and we can see the data sheet of this uh, push button to see the exact diagram. So this is the data sheet. Let's see the dimensions. So this is basically the dimension for the push button. Here the pins are center to center distance is 5 millimeters, and the diameter of the pin itself is 1 millimeter. So that is what we are going to make in the for the PCB footprint. So here in the simulation, for the counter, the timer, on and off timer, the push buttons I have used here, they are actually just for animations, but they do not have the PCB footprint. So we are going to make a PCB footprint for this push buttons here. So now we have our push button dimension. Now let's go to the Ares. I have already done this, but let's start a new new file where we can draw the push button. So before we can do that, we just want to put the padding for the push button pins. So we go here. These are the different types of paddings we have. This is actually the outer diameter is 40 this is mils, that is 1/1000th of an inch, and this is 15 mils. Where there is a M, this is millimeters, so this is 0.2 inch and 3 millimeters the drill hole. If the size is not there, we can create a size by clicking at this create button here. We can give a name, any name like that. C, for example, C. Let's say 150. M, let's say 2 millimeters, and this is circular. Okay. So the diameter is let's say 0.2 inch. 0.2. You can just type IN for inch, and the drill hole. Drill mark is just a point. You can put it as 10th, no problem. And this one can be, this one is, let's say, 2 millimeters. So just put mm for the millimeters. And okay, so here we have our new padding. So this is selected, and we can click anywhere here. So this is our padding, and these are actually this is the snap. So this one is on the bottom corner here. If we see the, we can see the coordinates there. So this is here it is 20. This one is 30. So this is going for every 10 millimeters. We can change this one from the view. So it's a snap is 2.5 millimeters. We can go for 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is too small, so we can go for, let's say, 2.5 millimeter. And select this one, and again so 32.5, so this is 35, this is 20, and this is 25. Oops. So there is some problem here because the outer diameter I selected was too big. That's why there was a problem. So we can delete this one, and 150 was too big. So let's go for, let's say, 100, and yeah, create another one. Let's say this one as C, let's say 80. And this one is diameter is 60th. Let's make it 100. I think it'll be too big again, eh? This is 2 millimeters. Okay. Oh. Now it looks good here. Now we're okay, I think. Now let's make a circle around here. That. And then we have to give the numbering to the pins. Number 1. This one is number 2. Okay. After that, you select the whole thing and go to the library and make package. So we give name for the package. Let's call it push button with 2 pins SPST, single pole single throw. So package category is it's a discrete component. Package type, it's a through hole, and we have a package subcategory. I think we have to put them in the, make a new category like switch. This is okay. Panasonic 2 pin SPST push button switch. Okay, that's it. We have a package now.